This video is a collection of miscellaneous things I haven't covered elsewhere. The command H will change the presentation of the 4 of the 7 letters. You can go directly by typing H and a number, H2, H3. The number 1 will give you a random entry from the hint table. The number 2 will give you a random entry from the 2-letter list, whether or not the hint table or the 2-letter list are shown. DR will give you a definition of a random entry of a word that you haven't found yet. Try that again. Sort of fun. Let's go look at our list of puzzles. I have quite a collection of puzzles. I am multitasking. I can go to puzzle number 2, search for the pangram. Let's change this back to H1. Look for the pangram here. I see it's unzipped. That's good. So I can say next, go to the next puzzle, P to go to the previous puzzle, T go back to today. So here is today's New York Times puzzle. I've gotten pretty far. I've found 26 words, but I'm still just at nice. And the hint table, as we know, is static. It says that there are 63 words. I have a long ways to go. Here's a technique, a tip. Let's copy all the 26 words. Copy them. Go over to the enhanced version and paste it into the text box. There we go. 26 words. Turn on the hint table and the 2-letter list. And now we have a dynamic hint table and 2-letter list. Here we are in a puzzle where I found quite a few of the words. I'm going to demonstrate the ways you can play with the word list. If you want to see all the 4-letter words you have found, you can type W4. If you want to see the words you have found in increasing order, type W greater than. It gives you the length and the words in that place. You can type W/IT to find all the words that have the letters IT in them. This is fun. Here's another thing, SL. This shows you the words that have the same letters, that use the same letters. For example, EMT makes meet, and team. Here are the pangrams, enticement and incitement. The 2 words meet and meet. Let's define both of them. Define meet. You can put 2 words on the line for definitions. We have the command F, which will show you other puzzles in the archive that use the same 7 letters. We see here that on 9/22/20 it uses a different center letter, but on 8/10/19 it uses the same letter, the same center letter. You can click on these to go to that new puzzle. Another thing you can do, let's say we want to see where the word exit was used in previous puzzles. You can search S exit. This shows you other puzzles where the word exit was part of the solution. This is the current puzzle that we're on. This asterisk here means that we already have this in our list. But this 9/20/18, this also used the word exit as part of the solution. One sort of hidden feature is if you click on the logo up here, this image of a bee, you'll see that it says copied. What that means is that it took a link to this puzzle. If you want to share this puzzle with someone, I copied a link to the clipboard. So now I can go over to my email. Here I am composing an email, and I can paste the link into the email and send it off to a friend. So with this puzzle, I've progressed quite a ways, and I'm going to use this puzzle to demonstrate a minimalist approach to solving the puzzle. So I can eliminate a lot of things here and make it much more tight. HE will eliminate the heading. We don't really need the heading. Let's change the presentation to H3 to only have the 7 letters. Let's eliminate the word list with WL. We can get it back. All these are toggles. WL will take a word list away. We have this image of the genius. Let's type IM to take the image away, just have the word genius. The hints table can be collapsed with CO. And here we are. We can now we can even collapse it even further by finding what this word is. I can click on this word, and it tells me, yes, titmice. So we have a minimalist approach. The last thing to demonstrate is the ultimate hint, and that is the command G space Y. This means give up and a confirmation of yes. This will show you all the words you have not yet found. There they are, quite a few. And it charges you a lot of hints, 5 per word, but it doesn't actually enter them. If you wanted to enter them, you could copy them, and paste them in there, and then you will become Queen Bee. That's a rather quick way to solve the puzzle, but is no fun. It's a big cheat.